Hello children, this is the chapter The Most Fearsome Thing, chapter 6 MCB class 6. Okay, we have done this story already and I have posted the videos on my channel. You see the videos till the end, otherwise you will not understand the chapter. Read the story also yourself. Now come here, this is question answer. Number 1 is read and answer. Take the most appropriate answer. Okay, first question is what gives you an idea, what gives you the idea that it was a cold night. Okay, here I have put the numbers which will be the correct for all questions. Number A, it will 3, number B A, number B 1, C 3, number D 4, number E 3. Now come here. This is answer the following question with reference to the context. Okay, this is context, reference to the context. So number 1, here answer I have written here. Number 1 answer is grandfather said these words. Number 2, grandfather said these words to Oji-san. The name of little boy was Oji-san. He afraid of a leak in his roof. Grandfather said that one may come along any minute. Okay, उसने क्या कहा था कि कोई एक कभी भी आ सकता है. उसने इसे पर्सोनिफिकेशन किया था, इसलिए सभी को कंफ्यूजन हो गया कि वह एक लीक जो कि लीकेज होता है घर में, वो लीकेज ना होकर एक ड्रेडफुल क्रिएचर है, इसलिए सभी कंफ्यूज्ड हो गए थे. ये स्टोरी उसी कंफ्यूजन पर बेस्ड है. अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? आई एम रीडिंग इट अगेन. व्हाई आई एम रीडिंग इट? बिकॉज यू विल नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम. Okay, for reading the answer you will not face any problem, that's why I am reading it. Someone has many problems. That's ma'am, what have you written here? I don't understand. That's why I am reading the answer. I have given PDF already, but I am reading this answer for you, so listen carefully. Grandfather said that one may come along any minute. It makes us think he is talking about a human being. Now B number. The answer, the question is what? Fearsome thing. The thief said these words. He said these words to himself. It was strange because an old man said that it come along any minute. It would be dreadful, scary, terrible, horrible. I must talking about the thief. The thief was afraid because it had given a wild yelp. This creature is flying through woods. It was cold and full of fur. The creature was the wolf. It was frightened already. This shows that it was feared. Ah, have been. The tiger said these words. The tiger said to the wolf. He was talking about the leak. He wanted to capture the leak, otherwise they could not ever be safe. Why if want me to? Monkey said these words. Monkey said these words to lion and wolf. The thief was sitting on the tree. The speaker was quite unafraid because it knows the creature looking somewhat like a human being. Think and answer. Now come here. Question answer. It is written here. Question you write yourself in your copy from the book, and this is the answer. The thief grabbed the monkey's tail and pulled it hard and growled, shout fiercely. The thief was not understood because the old man described the leak as a terrible creature. When thief and wolf heard that, They didn't know the old man was talking about a leak in the roof. The story ends with the phrase, full of the promise of sunshine. It means next day comes with new challenges and more happiness. Grandfather would have to repair the roof. Okay, children, this is the question answer. Do it in your copy in neatly way, and handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, children, bye.